Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live in Orange County, California with yet one more quick tips tutorials brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Independent Tutorials Group, and let's jump right in. The poster today asked if there was a way to make this a silhouette, the subject matters. So you got the father and son looking at each other in a nice background. Beautiful picture, great picture. So this one's pretty easy in concept, but it's going to take a little bit of work, because if we actually grab and go to enhance lighting and brightness and we bring the brightness down, this takes care of the silhouette, and then bring the contrast all the way up, and you can see that's perfect for the silhouette, but obviously it messes up our background before and after. So let's go ahead and first work on the front foreground, and then we'll take care of the background. And we're going to do that firstly, as usual. We make a copy of our picture, duplicate. So now we got two layers to work on, because we're going to need two layers, one for the foreground silhouette and one for the background. So let's turn off the background and work on the foreground. We're going to cut them out in this case. If we use the magic tool, it's not going to know what to get, because there's too many variations. So we're going to go ahead and cut them out along with this wooden plank here. The trees, I guess, can be left alone, but let's do the plank. And we're going to grab an eraser, soft brush, and make it like 5-point as usual. This is going to take a little bit of time, but that's what it takes to do this right. We're going to zoom in and start over at the corner here and just cut away. And I'm holding down Shift to do a series of straight lines. And we're cutting into it just ever so slightly, because we don't want any of the reflections of light to go beyond our subject matter. So we're just going to draw this all the way around, and we cut a little bit into them. As a matter of fact, now we can just kind of cut out the foreground. Go all the way over to here. Okay, we select the inverse. We can pull out to look at our picture and hit delete. Boom, the whole background is gone. Now we got the background on a separate layer. Now you can pretty much adjust each layer any way you want, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So let's go ahead and create the silhouette. We'll grab the front foreground and go to Enhance, Lighting, Brightness. Let's bring the brightness down, and you can see it's just affecting just our foreground. So we can add more light or take away more light, and pretty much that's all there is to it. It's really simple. And then let's bring the contrast up to make it even more solid black. That says before, after, before, after. Now let's go ahead and grab our background and do whatever we want with it. I'm going to hit Enhance and Smart Fix, see what it wants to do. It automatically brought it a little bit brighter, which is kind of cool. We might want to enhance, go to color, saturation. We could take the saturation out and we can make it all the way up, or somewhere in between, just add a little bit more to make it vibrant. Something like, I don't know, something like that. But anyway, that's pretty much all there is to it. You can play around from there. If you want to really push in the edges to get rid of the little bit of edges that we see here, then I would do is take the background, grab a smudge brush. This one's at 20%, and we just kind of carefully bring it in. Let me zoom in so you can see what's happening. I'm pushing the background image in, and that, in essence, I'll show you what's happening. This is the background, so the edges are showing a little bit on the background. So as I smudge them in, they hide the white edges from the foreground. And You may not have to do it on all of the picture, but just little sections that show white or lighter that make it look fake. And you have to be careful that you don't smudge too much because it'll be obvious that it's been smudged. So just do very, very subtle little pieces here just to hide those little white edges that might show through. Unless you actually want a little bit of a silhouette, white silhouette. But see the edge of the shirt here? I'm going to make it sharper by pushing in the background layer. And I'm just smudging in a little bit. See that? And this is okay. I think I like the sunlight here on the kid's face. I'll smudge in on, on his shoulders and arms. It's natural looking. I will just do a little bit on the face. And this will kind of sharpen up your foreground image. You may not want it too sharp because then it'll look fake if it's too sharp. So okay, let's pull back and see how that looks. See how sharp that is? It looks pretty good. Anyway, that's all there is to it. Rich over at TVP Live calling it quits. Over and out. Bye.